Welcome, in front of me is the OPPO Reno 2, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up your settings. From settings, scroll a little past halfway, where you will have additional settings. From here, you will find storage, tap on that, and then choose your SD card. Now, if it's loading the SD card, just give it a moment, maybe leave it and go back. Because until it loads, you won't be actually seeing the format SD card option. But once you do, you can just tap on it. It gives you a message that doing this will basically remove everything on the SD card. So if there's something that you might want to keep, then back it up to your computer or something, and before proceeding with this. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to keep anything, then you can proceed with if you have any kind of pattern by confirming the pattern. Otherwise, you can't do it for some reason. And again, tap on Format SD card and the process will begin. Oh, it's a fairly quick process. It just takes about a couple of seconds, and once it's done, the card is immediately ready to be used again. And as you can see, it's finished. So that's about it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.